Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Vault Crypto Exchange. So this is the mobile application and I have been using this application in the past. Currently I have stopped using the application because of the taxation that the Indian government has put on, and since I am a non-resident, so I can use other exchanges. But if you are in India and if you don't have any other options, or you are in some other countries, then also you can use this exchange. So as you can see, currently right now I'm on the app and it's a pretty simple interface. And if we go down, they have this referral campaign. So what you can do is you can use the link in the description and sign up, where you will be getting back 50% of whatever Vault charges to you using my link, because I have enabled the 50% less transaction fee for you guys. So if we go on the interface, so first option is buy and sell. So if I click on this, so you can directly buy all this crypto. So most of the coins and the tokens are available on this platform. If we scroll down, see lot of options you get. And just to let you know, the KYC is also pretty simple for this app. They check all the documentation and things, and you are instantly KYC verified on this app in most of the cases. And now if we go on swap, so you can swap BTC or any other coins. So there is also a swap option where you can swap your crypto tokens. And the best part about this is, like, whatever cryptos or tokens or coin you hold, you keep getting interest on this. So if you see this, for every token of crypto, there is a different percentage that you earn a fixed return. So if you keep holding cryptos, you will keep getting returns on this every month. So as you can see at the top, like I have got this interest that I have earned, which is 30 rupees. And they also have the option of loans. So if I go over here, then let's say if you have one Bitcoin, then you will be getting 58,560 USDC as loan, or you can uh, go with other token as well. So I'm sorry. If you want one BTC, then you have to put in like 29.93 Ethereum as a collateral. So if I go with 25%, so it keeps on changing. I mean, you can decide as to how much collateral you want to put it, and this is the interest rate that they charge. Now, if I go back, they also have this pro trading interface, and if you see, they have lot of pairs. Like since this account is registered with Indian exchange, so that's why I'm getting the option of INR. Maybe if you are in some other country, you will get the respective option in your own fiat. And if you see USDT, BTC, and these are all the options that are available. So you can actively trade on this as well. And this is the wallet. This is my wallet. So as you can see, currently right now I don't have much balance, but I will show you my transactions as to what I've done in the past and earned a decent money out of it. And if we go, you can also open fixed deposit. So currently, see, this is what you can earn on a fixed deposit. So the BUSD and USDT are giving a pretty decent return, which is around 12 to 13%. So if you have these stable coins in your wallet, you can actually earn returns on the fixed deposit, and you can like take the funds out anytime. But there is usually a term for 30 days. If you take out before that, then you don't get the interest rate. And then they have something called as a automatic investment plan, where if you see my history, I had put in some funds over here and started a automatic investment plan. So automatic investment plan is more like SIP in mutual funds, which is called a systematic investment planning, where you put in a small or any amount every week, every 15 days, every month, or every quarter, and your portfolio keeps on increasing. So they have these popular baskets also. As you can see, hedge against INR, all in crypto. So they have made this portfolio. You can simply go ahead and like copy any of this and start the AIP. And I will just show you my history as well. See, so these are the transactions that I've done, and this was a fixed deposit that I had opened. So couple of my fixed deposits were matured, and if you see, I have earned a decent amount of money on this. The first transaction is like, sorry, if you see, I had bought Trust Wallet tokens for around 3,800 rupees and sold it for 8,000 rupees. And then there was a small profit that I made on Comp, SNX. So this is a pretty simple interface, and most of the things I've covered. And as you can see, they also have this referral option which we have talked about. I've enabled a 50% less fees for you. So if you want to use my link, you can use it. And in case if you guys have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Hope you guys like my video. Thank you for watching.